My name's Emma Pryor, and I have been working here since January of 2021, so it's been about 7 months now. I am in customer service, and on a day-to-day basis, I go through 99% of our paperwork, answer phone calls, I run money, and basically just make sure that all the paperwork that comes from the designers then gets put out into the areas that it needs to go. Before this, I worked in the restaurant industry for about 5 years. I also worked at a little tanning salon in Long Beach when I was in school, and then now I am here. Everyone I work with makes the best out of it. We're always laughing, we're always making jokes, and it makes work a lot more enjoyable, especially when you spend most of your time here. Everyone really helps out. Even now, there's sometimes you don't always know the question and everything, so then you just ask someone else and they always help you out. And so you're never really on your own. You always have multiple people there to help you. I do think there's a lot of growth in this company. Just in my 7 months here, I have seen people grow, and I know with this company, that's something I'm already familiar with. I would love to eventually grow and possibly work in the social media marketing team for this company, because it's something I have a high interest in, and I know that if I do work hard, that it could be a possibility for me. When I started working here, it was my first full-time job. So for me, it was very different in the sense where during the week, I didn't realize how tired I would get after work. I don't really have much time to do things after work, but I do love having my weekends off. Especially with old past jobs, I've had to work weekends and everything. I do think that I am a lot more financially independent than I was before starting full-time. And I do like that because I'm still young, but it makes me feel good that I can afford my apartment by myself, my car payment, all my payments that I have, and still have that little extra spending money to just live my life. And I like that on the weekends I have that time to do that with my friends.